Hard to be what you need through a static screen. And trying to speak for we